Good evening, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Suresh Kumar Devangan. I welcome all of you to the channel where today we are going to discuss about interview. Friends, first of all, congratulations to all of you that you have almost cleared Tier 2 examination. Before Tier 2, you did clear Tier 1. You appeared for Tier 2, whether it is EMRS principal or Kendriya Vidyalaya principal, Navodaya Vidyalaya principal or vice principal. In fact, I should go ahead and should say the examination of assistant commissioner. Now it is turn for you, friends, to prepare for the interview. We have decided here because of you, your request and your consent, to go ahead with the preparation of interview. How we will begin? Let us see. I have something for you to show you. Let us begin without wasting time. You already have cleared Tier 2. Now you have to conquer the interview. Yes. Decide and think that already you are there in the list. Don't speculate, friends. Lots of messages are there, comments are there. Sir, what will be the cutoff? Why do you think of the cutoff? Let it be. You keep on your preparation so that in the last moment you are not blank. So friends, you have already cleared the written examination for principal, vice principal position in Kendriya Vidyalaya and Navodaya Vidyalaya. The interview is your final opportunity to shine. And here is your complete preparation guide. Friends, you are not a novice. You are all experienced one appearing for the interview of vice principal and principal. Already you have spent more than 12 hours in the post of PGT, or at least 6 years, more than 12 years in the post of PGT, or at least 6 years, those who have cleared the written examination for vice principal. So friends, let us see, according to my own understanding for you all, I have brought something. Let us try to understand what I want to say to you. Now, understanding the interview landscape. मुझे सुनिए दोस्तों, 10 मिनट का समय दीजिए. आप इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. मेरे प्रोस्पेक्टिव से उस चीज को समझने का प्रयास करें कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं. Now, what to expect? There will be a panel of 3 to 5 senior educationists from the different corner of the country, maybe NCERT, maybe CBSE, maybe Kendriya Vidyalaya, maybe Navodaya Vidyalaya, and administrators will be there, friends. 5 people you can expect in the panel. Now, duration, if you keep on going on well, you can expect it to be 15 to 20 minutes, even 30 minutes as well, typically. Now, questions on leadership, mind it, note it. Questions will be on leadership, pedagogy, policies, and situational judgment. These are the 4 criteria I feel they are going to judge you. And then, as far as assessment of communication, yes, whether how fluent you are in the language that you are speaking, whether it is Hindi or English. Assessment of communication will definitely be there, and confidence level and your vision. Why they shall appoint you as principal? Why they shall hand over you a complete school with the future of thousands of children and parents? That is to be decided. So, the panel evaluates not just knowledge, but how you think and lead under pressure. That will also be one of the factors to be examined. Friends, let's go ahead now. Know your subject and policy inside out. Now, know your subject. What do I mean by this? NEP, National Policy on Education. RTE. right to education. No national policy on education, Right to Education Act and NEP 2020, key provisions. These may be the area they would like to know whether you are good at. Secondly, KVS NVS framework, whether you are aware of, you understand the organizational structure, rules and recent circulars of KVS and NVS respectively. If you are a candidate for Navodaya Vidyalaya, of course you should know the organizational structure. You should know the rules and regulations and recent circulars that is prevalent in Navodaya Vidyalaya or in Kendriya Vidyalaya. As far as current affair is concerned, if not 100%, you must be aware of what is happening around you. Stay updated on education ministry initiatives, at least. Schemes like PM Sri, Kendriya Vidyalayas, Navodaya Vidyalayas are there. What is PM Sri, purpose, objectives, working, facilities, how they are different than the other schools who are not tagged as PM Sri. In the national programs, you must be aware of all these things. Friends, I hope this video will play a vital role in your preparation. Ultimately, you are going to prepare your own, but these things will definitely help you out. So how to introduce yourself? Friends, let us begin now. You assume your interview has started. What I feel, again, this is my personal opinion. Since I am here to help you out, I never said you follow me 100%, but you can, if you agree with me. Now see, this is the only question that the committee should ask you, I feel. The rest of the question, it is you who will make them ask what you want. Let me prove it. As soon as you enter, you ask, or they will offer you, yes, please sit down. And the very first thing, common thing, yes, they already have their name. Yeah, Devanganji, please tell me something about yourself. Devanganji, introduce yourself. So, okay, you are Mr. Suresh Kumar Devangan. Yes, tell me something about you. Normally. And that should be their last question, my dear friend. How? Now, you introduce yourself. If it is my interview for English, I'll introduce, I'm blah, 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 this, that, I did a, this, that, educational qualification, few things you have mentioned, everything you have told them, and then leave such a line that will create an impact and they will be impressed by that, or that will struck their mind and they will ask another question onto that. For example, you leave your sentence in an emphatic manner. For example, and sir, I have been in this noble profession for 20 years. I am laying emphasis. I have been in this noble profession for 20 years. Okay, Mr. Devangan, how teaching is a noble profession? Some of them may ask. किसी न किसी के तो दिमाग में आएगा कि भाई इस बंदे ने कहा है कि teaching is a noble profession. So how teaching is a noble profession? Now that is what you wanted. आप यही तो चाहते थे. आप यही तो चाहते थे कि वो पूछे आपसे. And your answer is ready. So definitely you can answer. And then while answering that question, again you will say, if I get an opportunity, sir, definitely I am going to enhance the writing skill in which normally the students are poor. They are able to think, but they cannot produce it in English. If I get an opportunity, I am going to work very hard onto it. And I am pretty sure my children will do very well. Acha, how will you improve their writing skill? Now, another question comes. Likewise, friends, we'll be discussing it in detail when we will be conducting mock test, mock interviews. So here I want to say, your self-introduction sets the tone. यहीं से इंटरव्यू का टोन डिसाइड हो जाता है फ्रेंड्स. कीप इट स्ट्रक्चर्ड. बहुत ही तैयार करके जाएं आप. रटा हुआ नहीं लगना चाहिए. इट शुड बी नेचुरल बट स्ट्रक्चर्ड. आपको वही बातें बतानी है जो बहुत ज्यादा आवश्यक है. बहुत ज्यादा डीप फैमिली डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन में मैंने ये भी किया है, मैंने वो भी किया है, मैंने ऐसा भी किया है, मैंने वैसा भी किया है, मेरे को ये मिला है, मेरे को वो मिला है. नो, जो हाईएस्ट लेवल है वो बताइए. डोंट वेस्ट देयर टाइम, बट एट द सेम टाइम डू स्पीक हाई ऑफ योर सेल्फ. जो कुछ आप हैं निश्चित रूप से यू मस्ट टेल दैट. कीप इट स्ट्रक्चर्ड, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड अंडर 2 minutes. You practice it at home. It should not exceed 2 minutes. It should be warm. You should be confident. Confident opening should be there. Hello, I am. मैंने कई लोगों को सुना है hello myself. Please, my dear friend, don't use. It's a reflexive pronoun. Can never be a subject. Myself, Suresh Devangan, is 100% wrong sentence. Please keep it in mind. Maybe this is new to many of the people. Never ever use this. You better say, I am Suresh Kumar Devangan. My name is Suresh Kumar Devangan. But it is never myself Suresh Kumar Devangan. Now, you must say about your experience, how much experienced you are. Few things you must mention. Then, let product launch, boosting revenue 30%. This thing, why you shall be useful to them. Excited to drive growth and impact here. These are the key things that you must remember. You must mention your key achievements. If you have got any regional award or national award, not necessarily you have got regional and national. At school level, at regional level, if you have done something good, something extraordinary, or something that should be mentioned, do mention it. Now practice this aloud until it feels natural. Yes, I have written a word, until it feels natural. Artificiality should not be there. वहां पे जो बैठे लोग हैं, तो मित्रों मैं स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहूं तो घाघ लोग हैं. उन्हें न बेवकूफ बनाया जा सकता है, ना ही ऐसा कोई प्रयास करना चाहिए. They are all educationists. Tell the truth and it should look natural, not rehearsed. अभ्यास क्या हुआ नहीं लगना चाहिए. डायलॉग रट के थोड़ी नहीं जाना है, आपको अपनी जीवनी बतानी है, उसमें रटने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बिगिन विथ अ वार्म ग्रीटिंग एंड एंड विथ अ फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग स्टेटमेंट. फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग स्टेटमेंट इनटू विच दे विल लुक फॉरवर्ड, दे विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चन, दे विल रिवर्ट द क्वेश्चन इनटू दैट. नाउ ड्रेस, फ्रेंड्स, यू आर ऑल वेल वर्स्ड. I don't want to mention all these things, but still it is not a simple interview that you are going to face. And maybe most of our friends, they have been working for 12 years, 15 years, 6 years, 10 years, and in between these, they have not attended any interview. You are directly appearing in the interview of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Vidyalaya, the premium institution of the country. So you need to prepare, you need to look to your dresses as well. What I feel, men, formal shirt, trouser and a tie. A blazer or suit jacket even adds to the gravity. Polished shoes, avoid casual wear entirely. As our friends, women friends are concerned, formal sari, salwar kameez or professional suit. Minimum jewelry, remember, minimal jewelry, knit, tied back hair, closed toe suit, preferred. For all, ironed, clean clothing, natural color perfume, no strong perfume, a natural color preferred, neutral colors, actually I am unable to read it for a long distance, no strong perfume, remember, carry a professional folder, a portfolio. Of course, you will be carrying your biodata, though it is submitted in the outside, but you must have a copy of it. Now, body language that speaks a lot, friend, without uttering a single word. आपके बैठने का तरीका, आपके उठने का तरीका, आपके हाथ रखने का तरीका, आपका पैर रखने का तरीका, आपके देखने का नजरिया, everything is counted. One fellow is their counselor. He, she will never speak a single word, won't ask you any question. They will just mind your activities. So remember to take care of that fellow as well. Now, eye contact. Maintain steady, respectful eye contact with all panel members, not just the chairperson. ऐसा नहीं कि जो हेड है केवल उसकी तरफ देख देख के हम मुंडी हिला रहे हैं. No, should not be done, friends. Posture. If you talk about the posture, sit upright. Lean slightly forward, like this, slightly forward. Avoid crossing arms or forgetting with hands. As far as voice and pace is concerned, speak clearly at a measured pace. Pause before answering difficult questions so that it looks natural. It shows composure. They will not feel that you are thinking. Rather, take your time. Warmth and confidence should be shown. A calm smile and composed demeanor project approachability and leadership readiness. And that you have to prove, dear friends. Now, anticipate key questions. Most important part. I have given the first word. Read it, repeat it, say it with me rather. Anticipate. I never said this question will be asked. Rather, I said anticipate. Now, leadership and vision. Definitely they will ask you because you are going to be the leader. Improve school culture. How will you improve school culture? एक आपको स्कूल जो दिया है वो थोड़ा सा किसी न किसी कारण से इकोनॉमिकली, सोशली या किसी एकेडमिकली कमजोर है, आप उसे कैसे इंप्रूव करेंगे? सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर टू हैंडल टीचर्स परफॉर्मेंस. पीआई कम आ रहा है, कैसे बढ़ाएंगे आप? स्कूल का रिजल्ट 100% नहीं है, कैसे बढ़ाएंगे आप? सच क्वेश्चन, सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस विल डेफिनेटली बी देयर. पॉलिसी, व्यूज ऑन NEP 2020 and pedagogical practices. Prepare or answer. Use the STAR method. I hope you know the STAR method. If you do not know, let me read, let me explain. Situation, S for situation, T for task, A for action, and R for result. In any of the situation, what are the tasks that you will perform required? What is the action that is required? And for all these situation and task and action, what will be the result? STAR situation, STAR method for situational question. ये गांठ बांध के दिमाग में रख लीजिए आप कि इस तरीके से आपको तैयारी करना है. Prepare 3-4 real example from your teaching career. वहीं पे बैठ के सोचने के बजाय थोड़ा सा सोच के रख लीजिए कि ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैं उस पीजीटी इंग्लिश का एग्जांपल दूंगा, मैं उस टीजीटी साइंस का एग्जांपल दूंगा, कि उसमें पीईटी का एग्जांपल दूंगा. लाइकवाइज नाउ अलाइन योर आंसर विथ केवीएस, एनवीएस वैल्यूज एंड चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक अप्रोच. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर योर अप्रोच शुड बी चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक. देयर विल बी पर्सनल, लाइक greatest strength and weakness, SWOT. Strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Think about it as well. Now, institutional. Now, parent complain. How will you handle this? Such question can also be there. Now, what you should do is, you should practice your answer with the colleague or your mentor, whosoever is your mentor. If you consider me, you can discuss it with me for a mock interview. Of course, we are going to conduct mock interviews, friends. Now, in the last two slides, this is the 8th number slide. In 10th and 9th slide, after that, I'm going to tell you how mock interviews are going to be conducted in this channel. Now, day before, your final checklist. Documents are ready. मैं छोटी छोटी बातों को भी बोल रहा हूं दोस्तों, इसलिए कि आपको ये सभी सुनना अच्छा लग रहा है और हम जानते भी हैं, लेकिन यदि कोई बता रहा है, वी मस्ट वैल्यू इट. कैरी ओरिजिनल्स, कॉपीज ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स, tier 2 admit card, ID proof and CV, whatever is necessary. Rest and refresh, that is more important. Most of the friends would be traveling to Delhi or the place of their interview. It is not at all their hometown for not most of the people. So of course you are going to travel, and you will travel just a day before. So take proper rest and refresh yourself. Sleep well, eat a light meal and avoid caffeine overload before the interview. Now, plan your route. भाई उस दिन पता चला दंगा फसाद हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, मंत्री का बेटा आ रहा है, कि मंत्री जी आ रहे हैं, कि क्रिकेटर वर्ल्ड कप जीत के आ रहे हैं. Many things are there. So plan your route so that you reach to the venue timely. Mental rehearsal. Friends, physical rehearsal तो आप कर लेते हैं, mental rehearsal. Visualize a confident, calm performance. Review your self-introduction once more. Now friends, stay calm under pressure. Most important thing. Stay calm under pressure. Even if you are pressurized, you have to stay calm. Just see what I want to say. If you don't know any answer, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कुछ भी घुमा फिरा के उत्तर दे. वो कोई 10वीं और 12वीं के बच्चे नहीं हैं. They are the educationist people. So what you would do? Be honest. Say, I will look into this and revert. Honesty earns more respect than a wrong guess or speculation. If challenged, sometime आपके टेम्परामेंट को देखने के लिए आपको चैलेंज भी किया जाता है, तो आप उन्हें चैलेंज नहीं करने वाले हैं. Stay composed, listen fully, acknowledge the concern and respond with logic, not emotion. Let the emotion not be onto you. At the end, ask one thoughtful question about the school's vision. It shows genuine interest and initiative. This may be the last question. Why shall we appoint you as principal? What qualities do you have that you feel you can be a better principal? Why shall we give you a school, sir? This may be their last question. And your final pep talk. See, this may be the Kendriya Vidyalaya, you are Navodaya Vidyalaya or EMRS. You are going to be appointed. All the best for that right now from my side. Now, you have already cleared tier 2. That proves your capability. The interview is simply your chance to show who you are as a leader. Friends, be authentic, not rehearsed. Lead your passion for education. Remember, they want to find the right candidate. You could be them. Best of luck. Your journey to becoming a principal or vice principal begins right here. Friends, so this is what I wanted to say. Now, how I have planned your interview. How I have planned the mock test. Before we go for the mock test, I will be sharing with you in today's video. You will get a Google link. Let me show you the content of the Google link. Friends, here you can see. I need to get your consent. Only then I will go ahead. In this video, in the description box below, you will be getting this link. It asks few questions. Your full name, your complete name of the school, city and state. Write it in capital letter only. Your WhatsApp number. And then your current designation, whether you are working as PGT, vice principal, principal or any other. Subject in case of PGT, so that we may understand you, your interest, your capability. Whether you are PGT Hindi or PGT English or PGT Physics or PGT CS, whatsoever. Total experience in year in that particular feeder CAT. Like you are appearing for vice principal. So for how long you have been PGT? If you are appearing for principal examination, how long you have been PGT? How long you have been principal, vice principal? So as going to appear for the post of, for which post you are going to appear. Then which area do you feel need the most preparation for you particularly? This is particularly you. You need educational perspective. We should ask you questions on that, or on management and leadership, administration and finance, current affairs and policies, situational or case-based question, or self-introduction and personal interview skill. For you, which particular area you feel is most important. Rest of the thing will take care. And then few more questions are there. And you submit it, friends. Then we will begin with the mock interview. Friends, for interview, I have prepared a thing like this. You can see here. I will show you one question paper. Likewise, I have prepared 50 set of question paper, all questions different. 50 set of question paper through Google Meet, few honorable principals, one counselor or psychologist, and few teachers will be sitting. We will be asking you question. You will feel as if you are appearing for the interview. Once you appear for the interview, rest of the 10 parts I will be giving you. कि भाई ये एक पार्ट तो आपका इंटरव्यू हो गया, बाकी 9 पार्ट की आप तैयारी स्वयं कीजिए. इस प्रकार के प्रश्न पूछे जा सकते हैं. तो आप अपने घर में किसी से भी, अपने कलीग से भी बैठ के आप इंटरव्यू लीजिए. आप अपना खुद का इंटरव्यू लीजिए, आप रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, खुद देखिए, अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखिए कि आपके हाव भाव कहां जा रहे हैं, कैसा एक्सप्रेशन दे रहे हैं आप. This much I can help you, friend. And I have decided, yes, I will be doing all these things for you. So let us see a set of questions. Why I am showing you this question? So that you may tell me in the comment box what all improvements needed, what all improvement can be done. Your feedback is very important for me, friend. If you simply watch the video, put a like thumb, even sometimes you don't इतना भी आप नहीं करते हैं, आपके पास समय नहीं होता, आपका समय बहुत कीमती है. बट फ्रेंड, एक्नॉलेज द लेबर बिहाइंड, दैट somebody is working hard, giving time for you. You must spare time, whether good or bad. Whatever thoughts come in your mind, you must write down in the form of comment. It takes a minute or two. But that will improve. That will give a way to the creator to go ahead with a better understanding, with a better content. Friends, let us see. After introduction and all, हम पूरा ऐसा माहौल बनाएंगे कि आपको 15 मिनट का समय देंगे, इंटरव्यू लेंगे आपका, इंट्रोडक्शन पूछेंगे आपको और इस प्रकार से प्रश्न पूछेंगे. एक क्वेश्चन मैंने लिया है सेक्शन ई से, लीडरशिप एंड स्कूल विजन से, कि हमने आपसे पूछ लिया, एज ए प्रिंसिपल हाउ विल यू क्रिएट अ स्कूल डेवलपमेंट प्लान एसडीपी that balances academic excellence with staff mental health. Describe your specific leadership style in this context. 2 मिनट का समय देंगे, आप बोलिए. ये आपने बता दिया. फिर हमने आपसे पूछ लिया कि अच्छा, टेल मी सर, NEP 2020 emphasizes holistic progress card, that is HPC. How will you mentor teachers who are resistant to moving away from traditional percentage based marking? ये क्वेश्चन हमने आपसे पूछ लिया. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड फाइनेंस को टच करने का हमारा तरीका यह है कि हमने आपसे पूछ लिया, एक्सप्लेन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉपर्टी. हाउ डू यू जस्टिफाई स्कूल एक्सपेंडिचर थ्रू जैम इफ अ लोअर रेट इज अवेलेबल लोकली इन द मार्केट. हमने आपका मैनेजमेंट स्किल देख लिया, हमने आपका एजुकेशन एंड फाइनेंस देख लिया, हमने आपकी पेडागोजिकल अप्रोच देख ली. अब उसके बाद हमने आपसे पूछ लिया कंडक्ट रूल के बारे में, ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट के बारे में, कि अंडर सीसीएस कंडक्ट रूल 1964 व्हाट इज द प्रोटोकॉल फॉर अ स्टाफ मेंबर हु जॉइन्स अ लोकल पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेस्ट. इफ देयर इज अ टीचर इन योर स्कूल हु जॉइन्स लोकल पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेस्ट, हाउ डज दिस डिफर फ्रॉम सीसीएस सीसीए रूल 1965 इन टर्म ऑफ डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन. आपका ये स्किल भी पता चल गया. सिचुएशनल जजमेंट एंड क्राइसिस नोट करने के लिए हमने एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ लिया, यू रिसीव एन एनोनिमस पॉक्सो रिलेटेड कंप्लेन रिगार्डिंग एन आउटसोर्स क्लीनिंग स्टाफ मेंबर. व्हाट आर योर इमीडिएट नॉन निगोशिएबल लीगल एंड स्कूल लेवल एक्शन. क्या करेंगे आप? दोस्तों, देवांगन सर इज गिवन यू अ टिप. Focus on maturity and systematic knowledge. Stay precise on GFR CCS rule to show administrative authority. अब दोस्तों, आपके बाद आपके विजन और एनईपी अलाइनमेंट पे आपको कितनी रेटिंग देते हैं हम 1 से 10 के बीच में, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड फाइनेंशियल रूल पे 1 से लेकर 10 तक कितनी रेटिंग मिलती है, सिचुएशनल स्टेबिलिटी पे कितनी रेटिंग मिलती है, और यहाँ पे आपको क्या कमेंट दिया जाता है, इतना वर्क आपके लिए किया जाएगा और ये आपको पर्सनल भेज दिया जाएगा आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर ऑन योर रिक्वेस्ट. So friends, this is how I have planned the interview, and I have 50 set of questions. Friends, this is one set of question, all the questions are different. Then this is another set of question, all the questions are different. This is another set of question, all the questions are yet different. Friends, आपको एक इंटरव्यू देना है और आपको 50 इंटरव्यू देखने को मिलेगा. Isn't it wonderful? It will be something like that. Somebody told me कि sir, the principal paper was an extension of your mock test. So friends, later on I want you to tell me कि sir, the interview, the original interview was an extension of your mock interview. That's all friends from my side. Do watch the complete video for the authenticity and to know everything what I expect and how the work is going to be done in the next few days. Do comment friends. Definitely share it with all known so that we are able to serve to the teachers community. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Till then, good night. See you tomorrow in the next video. Do comment. Give me your feedback. Have a good day.